How to create a Viber community. Want to bring people together around a topic, hobby, or interest? Viber communities let you connect with lots of people at once. Today, I will show you how to create your own community in just a few taps. First things first, open your Viber app and tap the Chats tab. Then tap the purple chat box icon in the bottom right corner to start a new chat. From the menu, you will see two options, New Group or Community or New Channel. Tap New Group or Community. Select the people you want to add, and in the final step, choose Create Community instead of Group. Now, give your community a name and a short description. Once your community is created, you can add a profile photo, set rules, and invite more members. You can also manage notifications and privacy settings to keep your community safe and organized. And that's it, your Viber community is ready. Start posting messages, sharing photos, videos, and engaging with all your members. Watch your community grow and thrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.